Hello and welcome to our YouTube page. As you can see in here, we have a wonderful railway track, and
And normally this is meant to be separated, but we joined it there.
we just make a very good junction in here, where as you can see, so the train can go from one side to the other,
And we've got our very long train.
and that is what we're gonna be sharing with you to see how cool is it. So I think we are ready to make the railway to go on the subway tunnel. As you can
So
see,
it's got a bit of power here and at the back.
as you can see, it's a very long subway
Tunnel. And
tunnel.
there's 6 altogether, and there's 12 junctions.
Super cool. 12 junctions.
Or actually 10.
Wow, that's a cool train. Super long. Maybe we gotta need help in there so that it's not gonna crash.
Yeah, because it's quite a sharp turn.
Very sharp, especially for that long train. Well, Joe, which? Oh yeah, you just save it, because otherwise it would go all the way. And then we're gonna make it turn in here to make it special. So all the trains gonna turn on the first turn.
Oh dear.
So they all are coming out from the subway tunnel. So that was the first train that we want to share with you, because in this video we basically want to share with you our train collections. So we're gonna take off all of the Brio subway trains, and we're going to start in here with the Chuggington and Brio again. Oh no, they can't go in the same way. They need to go in different direction. What do you think?
Well, they are kind of the same way.
So we got, yeah, they're gonna cross. We're gonna put all the super cool Chuggington, and we're gonna use all the smart tech train from Brio. And here we go, and here we go again, and we're gonna add one more Chuggington. We're gonna choose Piper to go. Oh no, it didn't go. It just stayed there.
Kind of looking the wrong way.
Is it? Oh, that's why it didn't go.
Now it's going down the line.
Oh no, it crashed. Oh no, the train just crashed.
Maybe Coco could help.
No, I think now it's good. They are back on track. But I guess they need help to come up the railway. The hill is so steep. Let's wait to see what's gonna happen with the help of the other train from Wilson. Yeah, it's coming up well. Yes, super cool.
Is Wilson gonna make it himself? And yeah! Oh,
So we need to help Wilson.
just in the last second.
So I guess, oh no, they all crashed. So I guess we now gonna try to play with Thomas.
Yeah.
Let's see what's gonna happen with the Thomas and friends. And after that, we're gonna share with you. Oh yeah, we're gonna make the Thomas and the track, so we can see the mix that we have in there. What do you think?
Yeah.
So that's cool that you organize all the trains in here. The trains that are
So
ready.
the longest one is here.
Is
and
the
the
Brio.
Chuggington, Decker, Coco, and Wilson are here.
Super cool. Now we're gonna make it our
Here
super
comes
fast train to go. With the Thomas and friends.
Okay.
Yeah, we send them the tracks, yeah, and then and then after. Oh no, why did you stop? Come on, you're supposed to go. Oh
this
no!
one's too tired.
Every time they get here, they get stuck. I don't know why. Okay, we can put the ambulance on there. That looks like a very busy railway.
Now we can start putting stuff on them. So this
Super cool.
can have them, and this needs to go. This can go with Thomas. This can go with Percy.
Look at this. Oh, how come they're not mixing? So maybe we need to change the track so they can go on the cross. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so they're going this one now.
Oh, it's gonna crash almost.
So some will stay on this line and some.
Let's see what's gonna happen. They are going on the other rail. Hey, oh sir.
Whoa!
Hey, they are going by themselves. Let's see what's gonna happen.
That one's gonna go.
Oh no, it's gonna crash almost. Oh, super cool. Did you see what happened?
Yeah.
Look, it's gonna come. Maybe we need to correct in here. Super cool. It comes back to this track. It's stuck in there. Super cool.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to change the rail and that. Let's see where it's gonna go. It's stuck. Come on, decide. Where do you wanna go? Decide. Okay, it's going back there. Wow, it's super busy in here. Oh no, all the trains are crashing. Whoa, no.
Except
Oh, and that one's got stuck. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Is he gonna go with them?
It's back. Oh no. Put it back on track, put it back on track, put it back on track.
Now the guy's gonna fall
off the bridge. Oh, it's got stuck. Oh no, it got stuck again. Whoa. It's an adventure. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Where is he gonna go?
Let's see where it's gonna go, where it's gonna go, if it's gonna go on the rail cross or not. Which way? I think it's gonna come in here.
Oh, yes, you are correct. It just started to turn that way.
Oh, good. Let's see what's gonna happen. If it's gonna come on this railway and it's gonna crash with the other trains.
I think so.
I don't know. That's a very good turn.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, let's see what's gonna happen.
Up.
Let's see what's going to happen in here.
They're gonna have a bad crash or?
And they're all stuck. Cool. As you can see in here, this is an amazing railway that we just built, and with a great viaduct.
Yeah, and now all we need to do is tidy these guys up, and then we're gonna put these super cool trains that you can
Okay,
see.
yeah. You wanna do that?
Yeah.
Cool.
Look at them trains.
So we're gonna make those trains to go. Are you ready?
Yeah. So first we'll put them in where they're meant to go.
Fantastic.
So then I can press that to go forward.
Good that we have a good operator in here.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, are they all ready to go? Okay, we need to clear up the railway.
So we've tidied up.
So now all
We
the trains.
can make these go.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Cool. Super cool.
We'll wait till it gets to the station so that they're spaced out.
Amazing. The next one on the go.
Oh dear. That is a sharp
Let's see where it's gonna go. Where it's gonna go. Wow, awesome. So the next ones are on the way.
The red one is on, and now the yellow one's on track. Wow. That's quick.
Super fast. That is great. Look, one on top of the other. And they're all.
And you can see what's written here. Happy Kids Toys, wooden railway.
Yes, happy kids toys. The next trains are. Wow, he's back. Look how fast he's gonna go. He's gonna catch.
I need to make it go here so that it's
Super cool. You got a good idea. Wow, look how fast. But oh, the green one is almost. Oh, the blue one. Oh, the red one. Oh, the pink one. Oh,
maybe this might be a bit too sharp for me.
yeah, the turn is too sharp. Oh, look at this.
But
Yeah,
the
look.
yellow one, Manu.
Oh no, oh no, just fall off the bridge. Oh, let's see what's gonna happen to this one. Whoa.
Wow.
Oh, it's just the rail. And this one, look at the Brio. Let's see what's going to happen to the Brio. Where is it going to go?
This is a good one.
So
let's
yeah,
see
it normally stay on the rail.
Oh,
It's just move it.
That was cool.
Definitely. Look, super cool in here.
Yeah.
And the red one are on the way.
Okay, so this one went to the bottom.
Oh no, they're all
Red one
getting
there.
stuck in there. Let's see what's gonna happen to the green one.
But the blue one is very loud.
The Brio.
Yeah.
Yes, that one is very slow.
But
Must
then
be-
it's super quiet.
I think it must be your train. Huh?
Wait, let's see how quiet.
Oh, they all got stuck in there. No, it diverted.
The real one stopped here. And that one won the competition.
He
Oh,
won.
good.
Yeah, the toughest train.
Yeah.
Super cool. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please, if you do, subscribe and leave your thumbs.
thumbs up. And if you can, please leave your comment.
Absolutely. Cool. Thank you for watching our video. And that is our amazing railway. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.